Hi everyone, Happy New Year, Happy 2022. May God bless and keep each and every one of you out there. Happy 2022. Today we are making omelette. I have all the ingredients prepped for the omelette. We are making vegetable omelette, very delicious omelette we are making. Here are the ingredients you need. You need a little Larry seasoned salt, or you can just use salt and black pepper. And all the vegetables are prepped. And you just put a little in the eggs. And the eggs are scrambled. I'm gonna scramble them. And you can add butter to the pot, or you can add like a teaspoon or tablespoon of olive oil in the pot. You can add that in the pot. And just pour the eggs into the pot. And when the eggs is firm, then you add your vegetable to the pot. Fold your omelette. Cover the pot. When the omelette is cooked, remove it from the pot and continue with the vegetable to stir fry the vegetables. Add some black pepper to the vegetables and stir. Cover the pot so the vegetable can steam. Add the vegetable to the plate. And there you have it, family, your delicious omelette, vegetable omelette. Enjoy. Bye from Eat Good TV. Wish you all the best. Love you. Bye.